For this tzatziki sauce, you will need 1 whole cucumber grated. You're gonna add some salt and a tablespoon of vinegar, 2 cloves of garlic grated, about 2 to 4 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil. You're gonna add in your garlic and some vinegar. Squeeze all the water out of your cucumber until it's almost dry and add it to your yogurt mixture. And then all you want to do is mix everything very well together, and there you have your tzatziki sauce ready to go. If you liked our videos, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.